Babalik ang NCAA dito sa SNA. So lamang ang ating Golden Stags 28-25. So isa sa mga bagong ino-offer dito sa NCAA, ang NCAA on Tour. So balikan natin ang masasayang highlights na naganap sa Mapua University.
All-out support ang Mapua community sa second stop ng NCAA on Tour ngayong season sa home turf ng Mapua Cardinals. Bumataw sa stage ang iba't ibang performing clubs ng Mapua University tulad ng Extremity Dance Company at ang Mapua Cardinals Singers. Tampok sa pre-game event ang mga games at activities hosted by DJ China Paps and DJ Kisses mula sa MOR 101.9.
Sobrang tuwa-tuwa kami sa pagtanggap ng mga estudyante from Mapua kasi kahit malakas ang buhos ng ulan, talaga nag-effort yung mga estudyante na layunin pa rin na tayo dito. Tuwa din kami dahil nakita namin kung paano natin napasaya yung ating mga kapamilya.
Yung reaksyon ng mga bata, naramdaman namin na welcome na welcome. So, nabuhay yung animo spirit. I think this is a very good initiative on our part at sana magtuloy-tuloy.
At syempre, ang mga special performances ng mga star music talents na sina K-Cal at Jonah.
Sobrang happy kasi first time ko dito sa Mapua. So very happy ako sa naging reception nila. Sobrang warm nila and basta whenever talaga magpa-perform ka sa younger audience, nakakatuwa kasi ang tataas ng energy nila which nakaka-inspire lalo bilang isang performer.
At sa lahat ng mga nanonood, patuloy nyo suportahan at panoorin ng NCAA, lalo na yung mga Mapua Cardinals. Yeah!
Diba? The fun doesn't only happen inside the court, but NCAA is also bringing the fun in each NCAA campuses. So abangan nyo ang susunod na NCAA on Tour sa Emilio Aguinaldo College this coming Thursday. So balikan natin ang ating question of the day. Sinong NCAA player ang gusto mong magpayong sa'yo kapag umuulan? So don't forget to post your answers, questions, and suggestions on our social media platforms with the hashtag, of course, NCAA Season 93 and hashtag NCAA Strong.
And we are back live inside the Phil Online V Center para sa pagpapatuloy ng NCAA Season 93. Our tally at the half, 28 para sa San Sebastian, 25 para sa Mapua University. Maraming salamat muli sa napagtutok ngayon sa SNA. Anton Rojas alongside Renren Ritualo. Coach Atoyko has been talking about the size advantage. They have to be able to grab those rebounds. Kaya lang, if we're gonna look at the numbers, they're down by 6 rebounds. Si Coach Egay naman is banking on the speed of his squad.
Pag pinag-usapan natin, pag malaki yung team mo, siyempre, i-expect mo yung rebounding sa'yo. But in this case, mas namang sa rebounding itong San Sebastian Recoletos. Actually, they have 12 offensive rebounds and they scored 9 points out of those rebounds. So, malaking bagay yun. If you're San Sebastian Recoletos, first quarter field goals natin, 30%. Second quarter, medyo bumaba sila. Itong Recoletos ng 25%. Second chance points, makikita mo, doon sila bumabawi. 1 out of 7 nga lang sila sa free throws. On the other hand, for the Cardinals, noong first quarter talagang sobrang sama. They shot 11%. Second quarter, umakyat ng 50%. They turned the tables around because pumasok na yung mga scorers nila like Estrella and Gabo. Second chance points, they're doing a poor job rebounding or boxing out para sa or crashing the boards at the Cardinals. Although they're bigger, but na-out-hustle sila ng Recoletos. The free throw story, that's why up lang ng 3 points ang San Sebastian. 7 out of 15 ang tinira nila doon. Sinabi natin kanina, Estrella leading the way, 9 points. Aguirre, 6. Bunyag, 3 for the Cardinals. Costello naman at Pulanadi, 6 and 5. Of course, Gayosa, 5 points also for the San Sebastian Recoletos.
You mentioned the free throws earlier. Mapua is #1 in the league when it comes to free throws, but when you're shooting 7 out of 15, you could have had the lead already coming into the half, but that has not been the case para sa Mapua.
Yes, kasi nga, they had a slow start. Of course, in the first quarter, mahirap talaga if you're shooting 11% na manalo sa ball game. I mean, if you're shooting 11%, ibig sabihin, isa lang yung field goal mo nun, 1 out of 10 or how many ba yun? Mga, I don't know, do the math. Pero pag 11% lang na-shoot mo lang, mahirap ka talagang makalamang against San Sebastian Recoletos, who's shooting around 40%, 50% in the first quarter.
Now we'll find out which team will make the adjustments here as we begin the third quarter of play. Thank you so much to everybody watching on SNA. Anton Ross together with Coach Renren Ritualo, and we've got Princess Legazpi at courtside to complete our broadcast team. Nais ko nga pala batiin ang lahat ng aming mga kapamilya watching all the way from Rojas City, from Ilaya and Ibisan, Rojas. Kasama na dyan ang isa sa mga parking attendants ng PhilOil Flying V Center na si Romeo Brillantes and his friends Bear and Dan Delover. Maraming salamat po.
Actually, looking at the field goal ng first quarter, Recoletos, medyo masama din yung tinira nila. 30%. Pero mas masama ang Mapua University. Bumawi lang talaga sila ng second quarter. Nag-shoot up ng 50% itong Mapua.
Gayosa able to knock in that free throw. And we mentioned it at the start of the coverage, Ren. Gutom na gutom sa panalo ang dalawang kumunan na ito.
Yes.
And even though San Sebastian led by 14, we knew the game was not over yet.
Oo, syempre hindi naman papayag. Atong Cardinals, especially nung lumabang sila doon, nasa labas yung mga gunners nila eh. Nung pumasok, like sila Estrella, sila Gabo, ayan, nag-start na sila mag-run. And of course, Rock Torres.
Navarro using the Calma screen. Ball is back with Calma. Calma over Bunya. Calma with a basket.
Ganda ng tinira ni Calma doon. Turnaround shot against Bunyag.
So unti-unting nabibigyan ng pagkakataon ang ibang mga manlalaro ni Coach Egay Macaraya as Navarro throws it away. He did not know where Gayosa was.
It was a miscommunication between them. Itong si Gayosa, he wanted to the corner, pero kita mo naman yan tira ni Calma against the outstretched arms of Baitong or ng Bunyag.
John Michael Calma, one of the new recruits and young guns dito ng San Sebastian. Gayosa, basket is good for Alfred Gayosa, and he avoids.
Actually, hindi niya
Getting an
avoid.
offensive foul there.
Oh, he bumped him. Tama ka doon, he avoids the offensive foul there. Pero kita mo naman yung body control niya. Nasa ere, he was bumped. Pero ando pa rin yung finish niya sa basket.
Gayosa, of course, playing inspired basketball dahil nanunood si Gretzel Soltones, 3-time MVP for San Sebastian with the Lady Stags. Gayosa, Bulanadi, Navarro, bounce pass inside to Calisan. Well, they ran the play there, Renner.
Oo, it was a good shot, pero yun niya, hindi na-convert.
Nice eye the sky play there para kay Raflores. Just unable to put it down, but the foul will be called on Navarro.
Maganda nga so far, maganda yung dinidepensa ng Mapua Cardinals. Hindi sila nag-give up ng offensive rebound, which they were killed by the Stags earlier in the first half.
Flores missing on the first free throw as we see Keith Pinto still here.
Nung manood ng wala siyang homework. He wants to watch first the game.
Looking at the next game of Perpetual, it's going to be against Letran. So he's not scouting anybody here. He's just hanging out.
Yeah.
Gabo from the baseline. Rebound, Calma. Calma earning his minutes. Navarro, pinasa dito kay Bulanadi. Calma, hindi handa para sa pasa. Calma, nakarecover. Naagawan ni Victoria. Victoria, binigay kay Estrella. Estrella, sumabit ang depensa. At nakapuntos pa si Andoy.
What a move by Andoy Estrella. Side-stepping move against two defenders. Tingnan mo naman yan. Akala ni Bulanadi titira na siya, pero you went sideways and finishing on the other side of the basket.
So Andoy Estrella proving that even though he comes from the bench, can be the leading scorer of his team. He's got 12 points now.
Walang malamig-lamig dito kay Andoy Estrella. Pagpasok, parang sa floor, mainit na kaagad eh, no?
Raf Flores, another player coming from the bench. Go hard din maglaro itong si Raf Flores.
Oh, they're fresh from the bench, si Raf Flores and Estrella. There's no reason parang hindi sila umuscle or be aggressive inside the floor.
Estrella drives hard. Natapikan ni Navarro. Kalisan trying to throw it to Navarro. Gabo with a steal. Estrella for three. Short.
Awe.
Navarro.
Awe.
How can a little guy get called for a foul against the big man like that?
Ayun, nang hawi siya. Ayan, makikita natin. Tignan mo yung left hand niya. Ayun, no? Oops! Hindi na nakatalon si Bonyag eh.
Costello is back in. Capobres is now in. Gabo. Victoria. Aguirre from the elbow. Victoria.
Uy!
Oh! Estrella could not get to that basketball.
Layo nung pasa ni Victoria. Ready na umatake si Andoy Estrella nun eh. Kasi he was in the elbow extension eh. Yan ang ataking kagad pag nagap ng bola. Pero pinasa sa 3 points.
At grabe, Ren. 14 players na ang ginamit ni Coach Egay.
Oh, lahat yan fresh. Kailangan agresibo at mabilis. Yun ang gusto ni Coach Egay. Ni Coach Egay.
Costello to Capobres. Capobres very cold from the bench. Ngayon lang siya ginamit. So this is a new strategy for Coach Egay Macaraya as RK Ilagan knocks down a triple. Estrella umupo sa ere, just unable to put it down.
Oh, si Coach Egay Macaraya gusto niyang makakuha ng spark plug off the bench. Kaya that's why ang dami niyang ginamit. 14 players na. Unlike Coach Atoy ko, konti lang talaga yung ginagamit niyang players. Traveling that time para kay Costello.
14 players used by San Sebastian, just 9 by Mapua. And the Golden Stags lead the Cardinals 36-30.
Babalik po tayo dito sa NCAA, sa SNA. Kasama ko ngayon ang ating magagandang babae from San Sebastian. Okay, we're currently here with Jane and Ann. Jane, ang ating question of the day, sinong NCAA player ang gusto mong magpayong sa'yo pag umulan?
Si Ian Valdez.
Bakit?
Kasi friend ko siya and lagi kaming magkasama pag may times na free, gano'n.
Ayun. Pero friend lang. Friend lang talaga. How about you, Ann? Ano naman, sino namang NCAA player gusto mo magpayong sa'yo pag umuulan?
Si RK Ilagan.
Bakit siya? Sana ibang reason naman.
Kasi alam kong hindi niya ako pababayaan.
Yun naman.
Yun, no? Alright. So, Rendren and Anton, gusto niyo nyo bang payungan ng ating beautiful ladies in here?
Game naman kami, pero Princess, hindi mo pa sinasagot ang ating question of the week. So paalala lang, baka sa susunod na report, sinabi mo kasi, sasagutin mo yung tanong. Anyway, back to the ball game. We have San Sebastian leading Mapua as Nieles is unable to put it down on that stop and pop J. Si Nieles, ngayon lang ulit nakabalik sa laban na rin after he started.
Oh, matagal-tagal mo po sa bench yan. Pero it doesn't matter. Kailangan mainit ka or ready ka pagpasok mo sa floor. Like Andoy Estrella. Si Gabo, second jumper niya. Pumasok itong second half na to. Ayun, sinagot naman ni David. May tira talaga siyang ganyan.
5 points now for Jason David as we check in with our friends on Twitter. From Niña Forca, ang gusto kong magpayong sa akin pag umulan ay si Geo Ambohon. Kahit pa lang, siguradong safe na ako.
Sa letran yan, ha?
Sa letran, yes.
Ian Gamoso, syempre walang iba kay RK Ilagan kasi siguradong magpapaulan ng 3 ngayong hapon. Tropa ko yan, Power NCAA Season 93. Ha?
Ganda rin ng background mo, Ian, ha? Mukhang hindi naman maulan dyan.
Hindi mo kailangan ng payong.
Samantala, Andoy Estrella patuloy ang pagbuhos ng kanyang puntos dito sa laban na to. 13 points now for Estrella.
Oh, parehas sila ni Gabo pushing the Cardinals to this game against the Recoletos.
14 points for Estrella. Costello, umatake. Ryan Costello is able to draw foul on Nieles.
Pag gusto nang umabol ng Cardinals, may sagot parati ang San Sebastian.
A Vivo perfect shot, perfect selfie. Ang unang three-pointer nitong si Jason David.
Actually, yan yung sagot ni David sa jumper ni Gabo. Yung play na yun.
Costello, second free throw. Rattles in.
1-3-1 defense para sa Cardinals, para sa Recoletos against the Cardinals.
Oops. And Gayosa, first line of defense.
Sayang yung behind the back niya. Tinamaan yung paa ng isang Cardinal. I'm not sure who it is, if it's Nieles or Estrella. Pero the ball will remain sa Recoletos.
Now, why did San Sebastian switch to that 1-3-1, Rene?
Of course, para iba naman yung outlook ng Mapua Cardinals. Kasi minsan may gulpi-gulat ka din minsan dyan eh. Bigla ka na lang magsa-zone. Pero iniisip nila, tatawag na play, man pala. So, yun yung strategy. One of the strategies of the coaches.
Costello gives it up to Calma. Fade away. No, Aguirre with the board. Binigay dito kay Gabo. Gabo, umarangkada. Binigay kay Estrella. Back down low to Raf Flores on the break.
Ganda naman ang ginawa ni Estrella doon. Attracting the defense of the Recoletos at the last minute. Drop it off to his teammate for that easy layup.
Costello from the corner. Estrella with the rebound. Here come the Cardinals. Gabo with a fake, Gabo with a shot, no foul call. Tapi ka ng bola mapupunta dito kay Aguirre. Aguirre with a short jump hook, wala. Calma with the board.
Hindi ahon tong Mapua Cardinals sa 3-point lead.
David, too strong on that triple try. And Calma is able to score off of that putback.
Oo, yung kakasabi ko nga kanina, hindi sila lamang ng hindi nila makakuha yung 3-point lead na yun. Ngayon, may sagot na naman ang Recoletos, 43-38, Recoletos.
Timeout, Mapua. Well, she's trying to stay calm after seeing herself sa ating Smile You're on Cam feature on the big screen. Iba't ibang reactions yan. At iba't ibang disguises also. We're happy that we have a lot of people here inside the Phil Oil Flying V Center checking out the action between San Sebastian and Mapua and countless others on national television. Maraming salamat po. As Alin Bulanadi knocks down his second triple of the game. Estrella from the baseline. Kapos Kalisaan with the board.
Effective yung 1-3-1 zone defense ng Recoletos. They made 2 consecutive stops na. Made a 3-pointer in the corner. Itong si Bulanadi kanina.
Bulanadi steps back for 3. Alin Bulanadi. Back-to-back triples para kay Alin Bulanadi.
1 in the corner. Now in the top para kay Bulanadi.
$11 points for Bulanadi. Gabo attacks. Errant pass. Gabo gets it back. Pinasa na naman. Supalpal ni Gayosa. Pero may foul na tinawag.
Hirap na hirap sila sa 1-3-1 zone defense ng Recoletos. Hindi nila mabutas-butas. Pero this time, they were aggressive going to the basket at Aguirre. Getting a foul and a 3-pointer. Ibulan natin. Yan yung first 3-pointer niya na corner, di ba? Ito naman, sinukat niya talaga. On top, pasok para kay Bulanadi for second 3 points.
So Bulanadi's got 3 3-pointers in the game. And he leads his team in scoring with 11 points. At lumobon na naman ang lamang nitong baste.
Kanina nga pinag-uusapan natin. Down na lang sila by 3 itong Cardinals. Pero hindi nila makuha-kuha yung 3 points na yun. Hindi nila matay-tay. Every time they're making a stop, hindi nila ma-convert. Then, may sagot na kagad ang San Sebastian.
Navarro. Bulanadi for 3. One more time for Alin Bulanadi. He's caught fire here in the third.
Tinanong kasi natin kanina, where are the threes eh? Last game against Perpetual, 1 out of 10 lang yan. Ngayon, nakaka-4 na to si Bulanadi.
Coming into this game, Bulanadi only made 3 3-pointers. He surpassed that with 4 today.
Marami siya may tinuturo sa bench eh. Pag nakaka-shoot siya eh.
Baichong faking the handoff. Baichong, what a move! And Baichong gets his teammates on their feet.
Recoletos playing like a well-oiled machine right now. Lahat sila nagkakaintindihan kung anong gagawin nila offensively and defensively.
Here's Renzo Navarro. Gives it up to Baichong. Back to Navarro. Pinasa sa kanto. Bulanadi. That would have brought the house down.
Yes, totoo yan. Even though he didn't make that shot, ang ganda pa rin ng ginawa nila, making those extra passes. Oy, mukhang nasaktan si Gabo dun.
Ito yung sinasabi ni Gabo, magpapakamatay siya para kay Coach Atoy ko. And he's really in pain right now, sacrificing his body on that drive.
Inalubong siya eh. Ayan, oh. Ayun, tinamaan. Boom! Dalawa yung tumama sa kanya. Kabagsak pa niya. Ano yung mas masakit kaya ito? Sakit nun.
Renzo Navarro has fouled out of this game. 5 fouls for Renzo, who started para sa San Sebastian. Gabo, he's one tough guy.
Yeah, mukhang solid naman siya eh. Kasi okay naman yung pag-landing niya eh. So yung siko na tumama sa mukha niya, yung ininda niya eh. Hindi yung pag-landing. Although mas masakit yung pang-landing pag nakita mo.
So Heset Gabo, who is the equivalent of a grizzled veteran dito sa NCAA. This is the first free throw. Bulanadi this quarter, 3 out of 4. And coming into this game, he was actually 3 out of 25 from 3-point distance. How do you fix that? 3 out of 25.
Just keep shooting and keep practicing. Ganun lang yun. That's the way you fix it. Keep taking it.
And San Sebastian will run out of time, but not before a big run to end the third, anchored on Alin Bulanani.
Oh, Alain Bulanani, 3 3-pointers in this quarter. Dagdagan pa niya ni Costello, ni Ilagan.
Here's Costello finding David. Si David pa.
Oh, si David
Nakisali
pa.
sa three-point party. Estrella showing a lot of moves, giving it to Ra Flores, but it was really this guy.
Yes, ang nakasakit para sa Cardinals, yung back-to-back things niya. Actually, tatlo yan. Magkakasunod. Ayan pa yung isa.
Bang! Alin Bulanani just coming up big time for his team. And here's Baichong with his best move here in season 93, up and under, looking like the dream. Hakeem Olajuwon on that play. San Sebastian 54, Mapua University 42. Magbabalik po tayo para sa fourth quarter dito lang sa SNA.